Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a DeltaQuad Evo drone and you need to do a factory reset on the controller, you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not syncing or connecting to the drone, or if it's not following your commands or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you're trying to just repair things as and use this controller as it's coming out of the box like a new controller, we can go ahead and do that straight from the controller. We're just going to turn it on, and when we get to this home screen, we are going to select settings. And then when we get to the settings menu, we're going to go ahead and select system, which is down here. It looks like this. And then once we get to system, we'll get to this thing and we're going to select reset options. Once we get to reset options, then we will go and select erase all data, factory reset. Once that happens, it'll take a couple minutes and make sure everything is working properly. Make sure it doesn't lose power or anything like this while it's happening. And then you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.